हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जेई एडवांस 2020 के लिए ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ, विच इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ रिव्यू प्रॉब्लम, रिवीजन टाइप प्रॉब्लम कह सकते हो आप इसको. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड प्रॉब्लम. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एंड अ बिट ऑफ मैकेनिक्स ऑल्सो. सो आप इस क्वेश्चन को मतलब यू रीड द क्वेश्चन वेरी केयरफुली, ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड you read it very carefully, try to understand the question, try to understand it fully, and if you can understand the problem, then you can try the solution, you can try to solve it, and once you have tried, then re-watch this video for the confirmation of answer. But I suggest you to solve this question before watching solution, before I proceed for giving the solution to you. So here is the question now. This is your question in which we have a static container of mass capital M, cylindrical shape उसका form है, is placed in a vacuum, free space. One end of that cylinder is closed, that means other end is open. A fixed piston of mass small m, third line, a fixed piston of mass m and negligible width separates the volume of container into two equal parts. The closed part, which contains n moles of monoatomic perfect gas, which means ideal gas, having molar mass capital M naught and temperature T. Now the piston is released and it leaves the container without friction force. It leaves the container without friction force. And when the piston leaves the container, just after that the container is found to move with some velocity v. And rest all are the information part, which is the gas constant capital R. And you can neglect the change of momentum of the gas molecules. You can neglect the change of momentum of the gas molecule until piston leaves the cylinder. Then after the momentum of gas molecules will change, but that is not the part of our question. And here it is given that no heat exchange between the gas container and piston. So again I will request and suggest you, do not watch the solution before trying yourself. Now I will solve this question for you. The question is like this: we have a cylinder closed from one end. Let this total volume is 2V0. Inside this cylinder we have a piston. Capital M is the mass of cylinder, small m is the mass of piston, and under this piston we have some gas of n moles perfect ideal gas, and the molar mass of that gas is given as capital M naught. So notice three type of masses are given. One is the mass of this cylinder, second is the mass of piston, third is the molar mass. Number of moles are given n. The temperature of gas is given as capital T. The temperature of the gas is given capital T. And we have to neglect gravity. And this whole setup, the complete setup is in a free space. Which means this system is isolated. Because the whole system is in a free space, it is an isolated system also. Now when we release this piston, because of the gas pressure, remember, because of this gas pressure, the piston will move upward. And that is my question, that when the system is released, this piston pops out, it pops out of the cylinder, it immediately moves out of the cylinder. Because of the gas pressure, the piston will immediately move up, and this piston will gradually come out of the cylinder. It will come out of the cylinder, and when this piston comes out of cylinder, this capital M cylinder and the gas inside it, this whole system, once the piston comes out of cylinder, this cylinder along with the gas as a unit is moving with some velocity v. I repeat, because of this gas pressure, the piston will move up, and slowly this piston will move up, and it will leave the cylinder. The moment piston leaves the cylinder along with the gas is found to be moving at a speed of v, and we have to find this speed. Until this moment, we have to neglect any change in the momentum of gas molecules, and that means this gas along with the cylinder will be considered as a single unit. Now, let's say the piston moves up with a velocity Vp. Let's say the piston is moving up with velocity Vp, and the gas along with cylinder, it is moving downward with velocity v. Remember, the whole system was in a free space, isolated system. There is no external force. The linear momentum of system will remain conserved. And if the linear momentum of system is conserved, here everything is at rest, so momentum initially is 0, and therefore for conservation of momentum, you can write one equation, which is that small m Vp equal to mass of cylinder is capital M plus the mass of gas inside it has a total mass n multiplied by m naught, molar mass into number of moles, and then V. So this is your first equation as per the conservation of linear momentum. Now the second equation, kinetic energy of this system, kinetic energy of this piston, which we can write as 1/2 m Vp square, and the kinetic energy of cylinder with gas is 1/2 capital M plus n m naught V square, right? This kinetic energy plus internal energy here, internal energy of the gas in the final moment, that is U final, should be equals to initial internal energy of the gas, Ui. Right? Internal energy of the gas at the initial moment, which is Ui, should be equals to final internal energy of the gas plus the kinetic energy of piston and cylinder. And this is because there is no heat exchange between the gas container and piston. There is no thermal energy being transferred into the system or out of the system. Right. And since the system was in the vacuum, in a free space, there was no outside pressure also. And when there was no outside pressure, and therefore complete work done by this system will be 0. So if you are thinking of first law of thermodynamics, then Q, which is heat exchange, is 0, and the work done on this complete system is zero, because outside the system you have free space, vacuum, no external forces present on that system. Now, in order to find this difference of internal energy, because if we can find the difference of internal energy, then from the equation 1 and equation 2 we can find Vp and V. In order to find differential, in order to find change of internal energy, we will use the expression of change in internal energy, and the change of internal energy in a thermodynamic process is given by N Cv delta T. So N is given in the equation, Cv is also known because it is a monoatomic gas, 3R/2. Delta T, let's say the final temperature becomes Tf, so delta T should be T final minus initial temperature T. Now we need to find this final temperature also, and to find this final temperature you will apply adiabatic process equation, because the expansion of gas is without any heat exchange, which means we can consider this expansion to be adiabatic expansion, and if it is adiabatic expansion you can apply equation as T V to the power gamma minus 1 as a constant value. This gamma is the adiabatic exponent, Cp by Cv. Notice that initial temperature is T, initial volume is V, gamma for the monoatomic gas is 5/3, so 5/3 minus 1 is 2/3. Final temperature is required, and the final volume is double of initial volume, because the piston is in the middle of container, given in the fourth line of the question, that a fixed piston of the mass with a negligible weight separates the volume of container into two equal parts. So this part and the above parts both are equal in the volume. So if original volume is V, final is 2V. So from here you will find the value of Tf now. You will find the value of Tf. You will substitute this value of Tf to find delta U, which is U final minus U initial. This delta U is actually U final minus U initial. Now you will substitute delta U in the second equation. Then we have two equations now. The first equation is the momentum equation, and the second equation will be this kinetic energy equation. And through simultaneous equations we will solve for unknown small v. Through the simultaneous equation we will solve this unknown small v, and that value of v will be, if you solve it, if you calculate and solve everything, you will get the value of a v as, I am writing the answer part only, you will get the value of v as equals to square root of 3 1 minus 2 raised to the power minus 2 by 3, then small m n r t, where r is the gas constant, divided by n m naught, which is molar mass, plus capital M mass of cylinder, and then small m plus n times m naught plus m. This is the answer. So you will get this answer, right? You will get this answer provided you solve the equations with full concentration. I repeat my working. Conservation of momentum was the first equation. Conservation of total energy was the second equation. Calculation of change of internal energy is the third step. Finding final temperature is the fourth step through adiabatic process equation, right? So solve the question, solve all the equations and try to get the answer, right? So this was a review problem for JEE Advanced 2020 and really appreciable problem. It is a very good problem involving conservation of momentum along with thermodynamics. Not an easy question from examination point of view, but yes, if you are practicing such type of questions before your JEE exam, I am sure you will be able to get a good or decent rank and maybe top 100 rank or top 50 rank in JEE Advance. Wish you all the best. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.